Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to unbox a product that I ordered from Fifth Avenue. And I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing and I'm not sure if I wanna try the product that is inside. I just wanna open it now so I can see how it comes. And this is the product, I think. This is a gift that they gave me for the purchase of the product. So let me show you. Do you want to see the product or the gift? Let me show you the gift first. I think this is the gift. Oh. I like how Fifth Avenue packed the packages. It's very, very aesthetic, in a very, very aesthetic way. So let's see. Oh, yeah. It's a big box for a little product. Oh, it's just for this and it's a big box. You see? Only one product for the big box. Okay, I give point to Fifth Avenue for the way they pack their boxes. Way to go. Let's see what is my gift. This is a water bottle. This is the gift they were giving for $100 purchase. This is, I think it's for the summer, like a summer promotion. I don't know if they were giving this only for beauty, and I understand now why the box was so well packed, because this is glass. Wow. I love when they give a glass bottle instead of plastic. I like it. This bottle is beautiful. And it's glass. So this was the gift for purchase. This is a great gift. I prefer this than a lot of makeup testers. You know what, I like glass better, because glass, even if you put fruit in it or shake in it or any other whatever drink you put in the bottle, it doesn't smell when you wash it. In the plastic, if you do your shake, your protein shake, they smell so bad, and that's why I like glass better. Glass is #1 for me. Let me show you what I ordered. And this product, I didn't find it anywhere else a less price. So since Fifth Avenue sent me the 20% off coupon that they sent me almost every month, I decided to go ahead and order this that I've been wanting to try for so long. It was in my wish list. So, oh wow, look at these. I love how they pack their boxes. This is so nice. Oh, and this is a small box. And the glass bottle was very well packed. Okay, what I ordered is this, can you see? NIHILO Venenum Kiss, the Perfume. I've been wanting to try these fragrances from NIHILO. This is a blind buy. I never in my life smelled any NIHILO fragrance. And I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's NIHILO or NIHILO. So this is the Venenum Kiss, 100 ml, 3.3 fluid ounces. Should we smell it today? I'm not wearing any fragrance, so we can unbox it and smell it for the first time. Let's do this really quick. The box is kind of simple. It has a box sleeve And this is foamy. This is like foam box. The packaging is not a big deal. It's soft. It's a soft, foamy box, and oh, you can open it like this. Ay, that noise. Oh wow, but the bottle inside, oh my god. It comes with this little envelope. Let's see what the envelope says. And this is the fragrance Venenum Kiss. Comes with this little paper. And I think this is the information about the fragrance. Let's see. Opulent and Poisonous. Venenum Kiss, a sensual and sophisticated liqueur with hints of candied, apricot, and vanilla. I can't wait to smell it. The strong and intense feel of an electric night in Orient. The women are wearing their evening perfume. Wherever you go at night, you succumb to this same hypnotic smell. The obsessive caress of amber and suede, the velvet breath of rose and saffron. Olfactory notes. I don't know if you understand. I'm not very good at reading. Top notes are neroli, saffron, nutmeg. Heart note, rose absolute, davana, amber. And base notes are vanilla, styrax, and sandalwood. This perfume was created by Quentin Bisch. So the creator of this perfume is called Quentin Bisch. He has created a lot of good perfumes. This fragrance contains natural extracts, the presence of suspended particles or color. Variations do not alter its quality in any way. Protects from direct light and source of heat. Good. Do not spray towards an open flame or incandescent body for external use only. I'm gonna leave you the link of this product in this comment, in the description section of this video, so you can, if you're interested, to look for more information about this fragrance. And now let's smell it for the first time. Oh wow. Oh wow, I'm so happy with my first ex nihilo fragrance. This is the box. Like I said, the box is nothing groundbreaking. It reminds me of the box of Juliet Hasagan. She has her perfumes in soft boxes like this, like foamy boxes, but they are very well protected. Ay. But this bottle is so, oh my God, delicate and elegant and very good looking. I really like it. The cap is golden. Oh, and it looks like it's magnetic and it's blue from the inside. Well, I just washed my hands again because I don't want to leave all the prints in the bottle. The cap seems to be like magnetic, but it's not magnetic. It's just heavy. The cap is very heavy. But it's not magnetic. The color of the fragrance of the liquid is so nice and caramelly. I want to smell it now. I hope it smells as good as it looks like. Okay, let's smell it for the first time. Oh, look at the sprayer. Oh, wow. I can smell the this is like a rose and oud combination. I don't remember the note. The first thing I smell is leather, rose, and I'm not sure if it has wood. Maybe the sandalwood, but it's woody. Oh, wow. Oh, and that sprayer. I don't want to spray too much because I can feel this fragrance is strong. This is a date night perfume. Wow, this smells so good. I don't know why I feel like a leathery smell. But definitely I can feel the rose. The rose to me is very prominent, and also I can smell, now it's changing. I can feel woody, like maybe the sandalwood. Yeah, it must be the sandalwood because I feel I can smell rose, a little bit of leather, but it doesn't mention leather and sandalwood. That was the opening. Now I think it changed a little bit more, like wow, this is very sensual. The opening is like an explosion of notes. It's very explosive, but when it's setting down on your skin, it begins to smell a little bit spicy. So let me tell you, to wrap up this first impression Venenum Kiss fragrance. The first thing that it comes to my nose when I first spray it is rose, leather, and wood. But it doesn't mention leather in the notes. Or maybe it has leather, but it's called in a different way. So that's what it comes to my mind when I first spray it. Later on, it begins to smell more sensual, more like sexy. And I can now smell the saffron here. The saffron makes it more sensual or sexy. And I still don't feel the smell of the vanilla because that is in the base. So I'm gonna wait to see how it changes. But this fragrance is very sensual. And this can be a perfect fragrance for a date night. So I am happy I have this fragrance in my collection, my first ex nihilo. There's another one that I wanna get, is more popular than this. But for my first ex nihilo fragrance, I am really happy to be owner of this beauty. I'm so happy. This is the type of fragrance I like because it's not that fresh, it's more darker. And it's sexy. I like it. It's sexy, elegant, it's warm. I think you can use this any time of the year, but it will be perfect for fall and winter and early spring. But I'm gonna use it anytime. I don't know about the projection and durability, how long it lasts on my skin, but I'm going to know later on. So I will give you, I will tell you, I will leave you my pinned comment down in the comment section and tell you how long it lasts. I apply like 6 sprays or 7 on my body, so I will be able to tell you when I upload the video how many hours this fragrance lasted on my skin. But I can feel that this is a very high quality fragrance, so I think the money that I spent is well invested. Ay. This is a really good perfume. Oh wow, gorgeous. If I recommend this, well, I will say I do recommend it because it's really good. I really love the first impression. I cannot tell you 100% to buy it blindly. I'm not gonna tell you to go and blind buy it, but if you are a daring person like me and you like kind of a spicy, dark and sexy fragrances, you can, I'm sure you will like this one. Yeah, but if you are the kind of person who like freshy fragrances, floral, just floral, fresh and floral, fruity, you probably won't like this one. But me, this is the kind of perfumes that I love. Check out the notes, and if you have maybe a Loki scent or maybe a Sac Fifth Avenue close to where you live, you may want to go and smell it, and you might like it. Oh, to me, this fragrance has leather. I will investigate later. That's it for the first impression. I am in love with my first ex nihilo. I don't regret buying it, and I will probably in 1 year have probably 4 or 5 of their fragrances. Maybe in a year or 2. So that's it for this first impression and unboxing video. See you next time. Bye.